Emma is going to do guitar medium and Trevor singing, so we're going to see how she does on guitar. It's a lot of playing medium on a hard song. I could never do this. And Trevor's singing. Alright, let's see how the duo do on this. Super bandana. They're both on. Look at that. I cannot believe they're doing this good. Holy crap. Emma, you freaking suck. And Trevor's singing awesome. Look at this. When the press, Pressure's getting. Unbelievable!
So awesome! You are
Gee, kids, and you sung. I'm gonna guarantee. I said this is how the relationship will end up.
Let's see the score. Let's see if everyone has 7906.
96% guitar medium, 95% on singing. That
I think you won by 1%.
That is an A+, and of course the woman rules.
Mommy, guess what?
That was
Alexis is going to be my
awesome.
guitar
That's all I do in the summer is play Guitar Hero and rock.
Are you so shocked?
Yeah.
That was awesome, Emma. You were playing like just two finger things.
I move my hands.
Trevor singing, isn't it Rolling Stones?
Hey, Rolling Stones, give me shelter.
Yeah, with his high-pitched voice move. And we have Emma on the guitar.
What the hell is that?
It's not preparing, boy.
You're prepared.
Oh, and she's playing back in the background. Here's our background. He's pressed forward. Okay, you ready? All right, don't mess her up. She's playing the guitar.
Yeah, don't be that
balls back on top of it. She's got her fast groove on. Yeah, come on. Bring it back up. See, look, you brought it all the way back up. Don't worry.
I just ordered it. I usually get 99% of the time.
What was your problem?
When my voice that high.
Yes, he can. He was. I said he just won't do it with you.
Why won't you do it? Just do it. I'm not gonna laugh at you, I promise.
My turn.
It's horrible.
I had a 104
No.
note streak.
104 note streak.
I don't care.
I'm proud of myself.